We all love to travel. During the vacations time, we all visit some or the other places, our favorite places. And when we visit our favorite places, we use different means of transport. Suppose if we are going out of country, then we will go by the aeroplane. If we are going within the country, then we may use a train also, and to nearby places we can go by our private vehicle like our car, and we may use public transport also like trains or buses also. So there are different means of transport by which we can travel to different places. But few years ago or few decades ago, things were not the same. When early man was there, then different means of transport was there, but as human kept on developing, then development led to these comforts which we are all enjoying. If we talk about early man, he used to walk mostly, and he used to drag the things, roll the things, whatever things he used to take to any place, he used to drag those things or roll those things. He used to go to places either alone or in groups. Early roads were worn paths, so like the roads which we are able to see these days, such roads were not available in the previous times. The first vehicle, early man, it is assumed that the first vehicle which early man used, maybe it was a sledge, because early man used to drag it or used to carry it, to carry its material from one place to other. So such things were used at that time because the developed means of transport were not available at that time. The early transport, it included the domesticated animals, and when early man used to cross the rivers, then he used to sail across the river. And wheels, what helped him? Wheels. So firstly early man started domesticating animals, which helped him to go from one place to other and to carry his luggage from one place to other. Then when he came to know that wood is lighter and floats on water, then he came to know about these boats. And the discovery of wheel, it was a major landmark in the development of transport in the life of early man. The development of wheel, it led to the development of wheeled vehicles. When by chance some log of wood, it rolled and it moved, then early man got the idea that wheel can move and we can use that moment of wheel in traveling. So the invention of the wheel, it was invented around 3500 BC, and it was a major milestone in the history of human development. So this discovery, it gave early man many things, that he started using wheels for different purposes, and different inventions were made on the basis of the discovery of the wheel. After the wheel was invented, people starting using its carts for carrying their goods from one place to another for transport purpose, and even for water bodies they started developing wheels. Horses were very popular and they become very common during the medieval period, and in this way wheel carts came into the role, that wheel and horses both were used in that. The first road, as we used to travel on the smooth surfaces, on the rough surfaces it is not very comfortable, though it moves on the rough surfaces also, but it was not comfortable. So firstly, what it also gave the early man the idea that we should make perfect smooth roads. So Mesopotamian civilization, they started making the roads, they were the first to make the roads. First stone surfaced road constructed. So as the discovery of wheel was there, then it gave so many ideas to early man, which made his life comfortable, and it used to make all these comforts. he got the comforts by the discovery of wheel. He used to get different ideas that I can do this, I can do that, and this discovery led to the today what we are traveling by. This small discovery of wheel proved to be a milestone, and it gave us the modern day vehicles which we are using these days. So wheel led to boats, and then horses were used to travel, and after that different means of traveling were were invented by humans, but the main basic idea it was given by the wheel. You can see nowadays also the latest techniques, they also use the wheels. Everything has wheels, even aeroplanes also have wheels. So this is the development chart from the early man to the latest at present time what we are going. So this is the story of transport, that how early man used to travel and how much we have come